Hello students. Now we are going to discuss some important reaction in chapter metals and non-metals. Just you see, many reactions already we have discussed in previous lessons regarding the properties of acids and bases. Reaction of acids and bases with metals and non-metals already we have discussed. Same reaction already will be repeated here. But why you have discussed the reaction repeatedly? Because you can remember the reaction easily. It requires practice. So I hope this discussion also helpful to you. You see, here sodium metal when loses electron produce Na+, because sodium has 1 valence electrons. Calcium produces 2 electrons and become calcium 2 plus because valence electron 2. Aluminium loses 3 electrons because valence 3. So number of electron lost from the metal atom depends upon the valence electron because metals are electron donor. Electropositive metals after losing electron becomes electropositive charge. That's why metals are called electropositive. Zinc when heated strongly produce zinc oxides. Aluminium heats oxygen, aluminium oxides, and iron on heating strongly produce ferrosulfuric oxides. Strong heating becomes ferrosulfuric oxides. Copper color, reddish brown color when heated strongly becomes black in formation of copper oxides. Then here sodium when reacts with water, this is very important reactions. You know sodium catches fire in water and air. When reacts with water, it produces sodium hydroxides and hydrogen. These reactions, this is important that formation of hydrogen gas from water. Calcium similarly on heating with water produces calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Zinc on heating water produces zinc oxides and hydrogen gas. Iron on strong heating in presence of steam produces ferrosulfuric oxides and hydrogen. So you see the difference. And here already we have discussed in previous lesson that magnesium reacts with sulfuric acid, magnesium sulfide, hydrogen, metal acid reactions, iron, HCl, ferrous chloride and hydrogen. Copper due to low reactivity do not react with HCl, but it reacts with sulfuric acid forming SO2. Concent mainly reacts with concent sulfuric acid forming SO2 gas. Copper, nitric acid, NO2 gas, but corresponding salt will be formed. Copper sulfate, copper nitrate, and nitric acid NO2, sulfuric acid SO2 gas will be formed. Then sodium when reacts with metal reacts with halogen, metal halides. Iron X2 FeX3, sodium X2 NaX, sodium hydrogen, sodium hydride, calcium hydrogen, calcium hydride. Copper, that is displacement reaction already we have discussed. Copper with HNO3 produces copper nitrate, silver. Here reddish brown color changes to green and it becomes black. Copper color changes to black. Iron grey black color. Iron copper sulfate similarly blue color solution changes to green color and the metal changes to reddish brown. Here iron displacing copper to displace copper from copper sulfate. Aluminium, it is also displacement reaction. Aluminium displaces iron forming on strong heating, forming iron oxide and iron. It is also displacement reaction. It is used in metal extraction. Zinc oxide can be reduced by carbon to zinc and carbon monoxide. And here self-oxidation reaction formation of copper sulfide and copper oxide when heated, both mixture heated, copper is formed. Phosphorus when burned produce phosphorus pentoxides. Carbon when bonds produce carbon oxides, that is carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus trifluoride also produce. Trichloride and pentachloride both produce. Sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide also produce. Then metal reactivity series. You see on the basis of the reactivity metal towards dilute acids, the reactivity is arranged in that decreasing order. Potassium is the most reactive metal, then sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum. You have to remember the order. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, nickel, tin, lead, then hydrogen coming. Hydrogen is less reactive than from these metals. Then more reactive, hydrogen is more reactive than copper, mercury, silver, platinum, gold. So least reactive is gold and most reactive is potassium. You have to remember the metal reactivity series. The reactivity of metal towards dilute acids. On that basis, which metal producing particular time, more amount of hydrogen is produced, taking same amount of metals, same metals and same amount of acids, but which produce more amount of hydrogen gas, that is compared the metal reactivity series. So this is the order of different metals towards dilute acids. So these are some important properties of metals and non-metals, but you have to practice, and already some important reaction already we have discussed in previous lessons in acid-base chapters, and some types of chemical reactions. So three chapters: acid, base, salt, metal and non-metals, and types of chemical reaction. These three chapters read combinedly almost all equations already we have discussed. You practice, try to rectify yourselves. You should not do any mistake in the formula, in the equations, so you will get full marks. So you practice. Okay, thank you all.